Welcome back, everybody. Yep, I'm still here watching oil dry. And guess what? It's not drying. Even with over 82 degrees in here, even with a circulating fan keeping the air moving, even with just one drop of oil on the glass, it didn't dry. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can see basically what happened. Let's see if I can get it in the camera at all. Like right in here, you can see how it's runny. Okay. The tongue oil is running the least, but that could be only because it's the most viscous. And I don't know the actual viscosity of each of those. So yeah, it's been more than 24 hours. It's been closer to 48 hours since I put these on there. I'll give them another day or two. We'll come back. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I have some beech here. I'll prepare a piece of beech very similar to the way the wood is cut for the workbench top, which is uh, edge grain. Okay, it's not face grain; it's edge grain. And we may have to do a drop a little bit on the beech, wipe it off. Then to go to the next one, drop some on the beech, wipe it off. Because tried and true says very specifically, apply in ultra thin coats and then burnish in between. So that's about it. I wish I had a chair in the workshop. I could sit down and watch the paint dry. It would be better on my knees. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.